Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August 4 to August the 6th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating um, live sessions, no, doon po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Kung hindi niyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And I want you to know that this is a general reading. Now, you may resonate with the entire reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. And if you still care about your exes at hinahanap po ninyo yung X-Files reading, hindi ko na po siya dito ipopost sa Facebook na po, no? So you might want to check on it. Ang Facebook account is Babaylan TV. No? So magsimula na tayo dito. Taurus. Ang nakikita ko, parang merong willing, no, na gusto kong either ibalik itong mga nangyari sa amin dati. If there's a gap, I want to fill that gap, no, and fix the bridge. I want to continue the story of ours. I feel like this relationship is not over. Let's just say na meron itong pause. So, siguro magandang title dito yung padayon, no? Ang nakikita ko kasi dito, yes, ang nagkaroon ng pause, merong separations, whether it is physical or energetic, no? Physical, let's say the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, different barangay, barrio, what have you, no? Energetic separations, pwedeng magkasama kayo sa isang bahay, magkasama kayo, or nasa isang city kayo, isang barangay, pero hindi kayo nag-uusap. Classroom, trabaho, it doesn't matter. Nagkikita kayo, pero merong hindi nag-uusap, merong galit, merong naka-block, yung ganyan. So that's energetic separation. So what I am seeing in here is more of, um, parang pinangako ko sa sarili ko, no? Gusto kong mangako sa sarili ko na um, nagbabago or kailangan ko magbago para ma-win over, no, ko si person, para bigyan niya ako ng chance, para magkaroon kami uli ng reconciliation. I believe na ito yung gusto niya na gawin ko, no? There's regeneration in here, so for a few numbers of, I mean, for a little percentage, there might be some toxicity in here. The toxicity may be in literal form. So, pwedeng recreational drugs, vices, no, alcoholic, sabongero, sabongera, ganyan, no? Gusto ko siyang magbago, no? Toxicity in other forms is yung controls, manipulations, what have you. With the 8 of Wands, the 10 of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. So para kasing lahat na ginawa dito ni, sabihin natin si person A, no? Si person B ang um, gustong magbago, no? Yung merong toxicity, no? Yung dinidescribe natin. Ngayon si person A, ginawa na lahat, no? Itong um, request, no? Nagdasal na rin, no? Kulang na lang sumayaw sa ubando, no? O tumambling, mag-split, yung ganyan, no? Santong paspasan, santong dasalan. Pero nothing works. So, I feel like person A leaves, person B leaves no choice, no? Para kay person A, but to separate. Actually, ayaw din naman gawin ni person A. Nai-stress din siya. Pero nahihirapan siya. I understand where person A is coming from dahil hindi naman, kung hindi naman ako masaya dito sa relationship na ito dahil nai-stress ako sa partner ko, no? Um, I would rather take the pain. So I feel like si person A is took you know, the lesser evil. Um, kesa mag-antay ako na mahabang panahon, and I'm still feeling the pain. So, okay na yung makaramdam ako ng pain, ng stress. If my person's not really working, at least nasasanay ako na malayo, no? So at least there's a chance for me to be comfortable with not seeing the person, with probably staying away. Baka who knows, di ba? I might be able to move forward. So, somewhat we can call this healing process with the King of Cups and the Page of Cups. Pero, meron pa rin ditong part na I am still checking on person's B's profile kasi nagkaroon dito ng parang sinasabi nating superhero syndrome, no? Na kaya ko siyang bagbaguhin, kaya kong ituwid ang buhay niya, no? Ako yung parang guardian angel, yung ganyan, no? So, parang kahit malayo kami, hindi man ako nagpapakita in physical form, no? I'm still making sure that I'm loving the person from afar. I'm still updated kung ano yung nangyayari with the lovers and the empress. So, what I am seeing in here is siguro madaming ginawa dito si person A to a point na siguro ito yung hindi niya pa nagagawa, no? Lahat na nagawa but this, yung either mag-level up, no? Yung glow up, yan. Ika nga ng term ng Gen Z, no? Glow up. Kasi nandito yung part na nagpakulay ng buhok, nagpagupit, no? Nagpamani-pedi, to the extent of probably doing or undergoing some surgeries, no? Wala naman tayong issue. There's no judgment in here. If that makes person A confident, be it, no? We don't have the right to stop other people. Ang nakikita ko lang dito is, kasi parang si person A sinabi niya sa sarili niya, I am, ito na yun siguro yung taong magiging panghabang buhay ko, but that's a wishful thinking maybe, pero pwede naman yung gawin kung magbabago lang si person, no? There may be a lot of plates in both sides from what I'm seeing. Six of Wands, Queen of Wands, the Hermit, and the Five of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko dito, ang pagsisisi is, ito na nga, ginagawa na ni person B. Kasi, parang sabi niya, nasa harapan ko na rin naman yung taong magmamahal sa akin, no? Biruin mo doon, ang toxic kong tao, tapos may nagtsatsaga. So, I feel like wala pa or hindi na siguro ako makakahanap, no, ng taong ganito. With the Five of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the Six of Swords, so ang nakikita ko, parang meron lang konting, may takot pa rin, may takot din naman si person B. Kasi parang feeling niya, yung enlightenment kasi dito na hawak ni Hermit is coming from deep within, no? Ako na yung, akin na, no? From deep within, ako na yung nakakita ng eto pala yung dapat kong gawin, no? Kasi probably what person A is doing is requests, no, or probably demands. So parang hindi sa akin nagsisink in. Ngayon nagkaroon ng separations, ay eto pala, no? So eto na yung gagawin ko. I'm seeing good news in here, and I feel like there will be conversations, another conversations, and I feel like si person A dito is gagawa na ng parang ano yung tinatawag doon? Yung parang, this is your last chance ever, no? At ito yung mga gagawin. Nasa dulo ng dila ko, there's a right term for it. Parang ultimatum, no? So, yeah, that's ultimatum. This is what I want to do in this connection. So, take it or leave it. Mahal kita, pero if you are not going to do this, probably we can call it quits, no? So let's check here the emotion. Well, I can see gagawin naman. So I think that's the hanging question. Gagawin naman, no? Kasi siya yung naka-discover na sa sarili niya eh. I need you to help me and I'm tired of running. So it felt like gusto din naman magbago din talaga nito the person B, no? Pero gusto niya habang nagbabago siya, nandun si person A to guide them, no? Habang nagbabago siya, merong, kumbaga, merong umaalalay, merong taong still, no? Pagpagugutan niya ng inspiration, no? So let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Virgo, Leo, Scorpio, Cancer, uh, Gemini. Yep, so this is your reading, Taurus. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa kapilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun din po yan sa kabilang channel. No? So, Taurus, kung hindi niyo naman naaabutan itong live sessions, pwede kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung feeling ninyo is hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, and then check the description box. Nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Hover sa pinakababa, nandun po yung question form, no? Sa pinakababa pa, nandun din po yung mode of payment, how much per question, the number, the name for your reference, no? So, you may want to take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. So that's already a discounted price. If you also want to book a personal reading, nandun din po siya sa pinakababang baba, no? Hanapin nyo lang doon, nakalagay naman, may indication po doon yung personal reading, no? So, if you still care about your exes, hindi na po siya dito, ha? Doon po siya sa Facebook, no? Iniwalay natin siya sa ang Facebook account is Babaylan TV, no? So, Taurus, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. Please report those fake accounts na nasa description box. Take a screenshot, send it to the email that I designate for you to win a private reading with me, no? And I mean it, that's actually free of charge. This is your reading, Taurus, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.